Spark Minda Foundation's Saksham Camp at IIT Gandhinagar empowers 600 plus PWDs. Spark Minda Foundation, the CSR arm of Spark Minda Group, successfully conducted a 5-day Saksham camp for empowerment of people with disabilities at IIT Gandhinagar from March 5th to March 9th, 2025. The initiative benefited over 600 PWDs, reaffirming the Foundation's dedication to accessibility and inclusivity. Sarika Minda, chairperson of Spark Minda Foundation, emphasized the camp's role in providing assistive solutions, UDID registration, and employment support to foster independent living. A notable highlight was the participation of 18 PWDs from Sri Lanka, supported by Professor Chevla Kumar from the University of Jaffna, marking an important step in global inclusivity. Key partners included the Social Defense Department, Anand, Abhilasha Charitable Trust, Ganpat University, and other disability welfare organizations. Stakeholders from Spark Minda Group also attended, witnessing firsthand the camp's transformative impact. Since its inception in 2015, Saksham has empowered over 25,000 PWDs, aligning with UN SDGs 10, Reduced Inequalities, and 17, Partnerships for the Goals. With this success, Spark Minda Foundation remains committed to expanding its reach, ensuring a more inclusive future for PWDs. Report Bilkul Online.
My name is Praveen Kar and I represent the Corporate Social Responsibility and Sustainability Department of Spark Minda Group. Here in Gujarat, we have organized a camp for empowerment of people with disability. This camp was started on 5th of March 2024 and today is the last date of this camp, which is the 9th of March. And with this camp, we plan to reach to approximately 500 people with disability, majorly from the rural parts of Gujarat. We could be able to reach to 450 plus people by yesterday's evening, and today another 200 people are expected. So hopefully we should be able to reach the number by 600. With this program, we provide prosthetic and orthotic fitments to people with disability. In addition, we also help them getting UDID, which is a disability certificate for them, which helps them getting different types of subsidy, government job reservation, etc. We also have a factory here in Gujarat, and that factory is trying their level best to employ some of the people who are aspiring for jobs here. We also have been developing a technology on prosthetic with IIT Gandhinagar right here on a foot, which could be more durable, flexible, cost effective and all. One of the major highlights of this program was that we got some 20 Sri Lankan citizens here in India, and we could do their fitment also. They left yesterday for their country, but they were very happy after getting these fitments. So we look forward even to have much bigger and a better collaboration, to have that collaboration of India and Sri Lanka together. We also look forward for organizing more camps here in Gujarat so that this program reaches to maximum number of people.
What should be the disability figure in Gujarat?
So approximately statistics says that 2% of the total population here in the state is having some or the other types of disability. And the highest number of disability is with locomotive disability here also in Gujarat.
And it's all free for them?
This is all free for them. We have prosthetic legs, we have orthotics, we have crutches, wheelchairs, walkers, and many other aids depending on the requirement. We have a team of doctors. They do the need assessment for them. Basis their need, we provide them with different types of aid.
In terms of money spent today after this less privileged people. How much you have spent on that?
So, ma'am, see, our CSR budget is some 2% of our net profit of previous 3 financial years average. We spend around 8 crore rupees on an average as far as eligibility is concerned. A little more we spend with some other programs that we have as well. We spend beyond the compliances, ma'am.
Is it going to be an annual fair?
Yeah, it's an annual event, ma'am. The CSR is also a compliance, but we don't look at this subject as a compliance. We feel that this is a very ethical subject, and basis that we have been doing this program for close to 3 decades. Every year we spend, every year we do some programs, and we have so far reached to close to 85,000 people internationally under our corporate social responsibility programs, which are majorly in empowering people with disability, skilling people, healthcare, environment protection, prison reforms, etc.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
कभी गिरो तो खुद उठ भी जाओ, कभी गिरो तो खुद उठ भी जाओ, कभी लड़खड़ाओ तो खुद ही संभल भी जाओ। जब तुम थामो हौसलों का दामन तो एक दिन शिखर पर तुम भी चढ़ जाओ। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं एक बार आप सबका अभिनंदन करती हूँ और आप सबको यहाँ आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करती हूँ। ये प्रोग्राम इसकी विशेष रूप से ये युवाओं और महिलाओं के लिए प्रोग्राम है। इसमें हम सभी को कंप्यूटर्स, स्पोकन इंग्लिश, ब्यूटी प्रोग्राम, कटिंग एंड टेलरिंग इत्यादि इस तरीके के स्किल से अवगत कराते हैं और आज तक हम 18,000 से ज़्यादा युवाओं को और बच्चों को और लेडीज़ को इससे मुहैया करा चुके हैं। और सबसे खुशी की बात ये है कि हमारा जो एम होता है या हमारी जो सोच है वो ये है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बने, सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बने, वे अपने घर वालों को सपोर्ट कर सकें। तो जो भी हमारा टारगेट है उससे आपको मैं बता दूं 70% जो हमारे लोग जो युवा हैं वो आज के दिन अपने पैरों पर खड़े हैं, वे खुद अपना ज़रिया हैं रोज़गारी का और वे अपने घर वालों को सपोर्ट करते हैं। इसके अलावा हम प्रिजन्स में भी काम करते हैं सर। प्रिजन्स में हमारे 2 तरह के प्रोग्राम्स चलते हैं, ये शायद आपका इंटरेस्ट का होगा। यहाँ हमारे प्रिजन्स के जो प्रिजनर्स हैं वो हमारी इन प्रिजन्स में हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट लगाते हैं। हम आप जैसे कस्टमर्स का सपोर्ट है हमको और उनकी सहूलियत के उनके सपोर्ट के द्वारा हम यहाँ पर छोटी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट चला रहे हैं। ये हमने शुरुआत यहाँ पे तिहाड़ से की थी और फिलहाल हम यरवाड़ा मेल, यरवाड़ा फीमेल, औरंगाबाद, नागपुर और अभी सितारगंज, इन सभी प्रिजन्स में हमने अभी अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट सितारगंज में लेटेस्ट हमने शुरू की है। ये प्रोग्राम भी हमारा पिछले 5 से 6 सालों से चल रहा है और यहाँ पर 500 कैदी ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट में काम करते हैं। ये हमारा एक PPP प्रोग्राम भी है। ये हमारा एक PPP प्रोग्राम भी है जहाँ पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप की बात।
हमें